Guys, Mother's Day is around the corner, and you know where I'm going to look for the most beautiful and incredibly affordable gifts ever? Anna Luisa, of course. Now, as you all know, I have been talking a lot about preparing for the day that my first grandchild gets here. Well, that day is actually very near Mother's Day, and I found the perfect first-time Mother's Day gift to get for my daughter-in-law. Just look at this beautiful, elegant mama necklace. It's dipped in 14 karat gold. It has this elegant tiny link chain. And this is the perfect way for my daughter-in-law to display her new status as mama. I think she'll absolutely love this. And of course, I had to get something for myself. You know, last Valentine's, I got these beautiful ash double hoop two-tone earrings. I just love the silver and gold combination. Well, this time I got this Palmer silver necklace, and it has the same silver and gold combination with the gold rope holding together the silver chain and the beautiful silver pendant. I think it's a perfect combination with my Anna ball chain. Now, who says you can't mix silver and gold? I just love that Anna Luisa's jewelry is so long lasting, it's water resistant, it's hypoallergenic. I can keep this on all the time. I can dress this up or down with any silver or gold earrings or any accessories, and it's always going to look great. And speaking of accessories, have you seen my rope pave ring? It's beautiful. And my Lucky Star bracelet. All of these pieces are on sale for Mother's Day. You can get lots of beautiful pendant necklaces, rings, bracelets, and earrings now for up to 25% off for this Mother's Day sale. Being able to get not only beautiful jewelry with unique designs starting at just $39, but also jewelry that's high quality from a company that really cares about the environment. And it is a plus that there's fast, free shipping and a worry-free 2-year warranty. Anna Luisa's Mother's Day sale is here, y'all. So with beautiful, high quality, long-lasting, water-resistant, hypoallergenic designer jewelry starting at just $39 and a sale of up to 25% off. You can get the perfect gift for your mom, for your friend, for your family, or for yourself. So click on my link below and shop Anna Luisa now, and you'll be set for Mother's Day.